Welcome to Oneself. These sessions are raw and honest, a window not only into my light trading, but into my self-talk, doubts, and emotions in real time. Because remember that trading isn't just about charts and strategies, it's about truth, self-awareness, and the discipline to master yourself. What you'll hear is totally unfiltered, the inner journey most traders never share. Let's begin. Right now I'm into a trade, as you can see. I'm taking a short entry. We are 18 minutes past 10 on Monday, trading live for Oneself, sharing my journey to trading and sharing my inner thoughts, my inner conversation, my self-talk with myself while I'm live. Right now I'm just managing the trade, just seeing whether the trade shows any signs of playing out. But right away I'm just typing, I'm not sure I am in the right side of the market after taking one stop already. I also like this reaction, which is the previous one. Right now, I don't like that one. As I said, I had one stop previous this trade, so as you can imagine, my feelings are a bit stronger. Feeling fear of being wrong right now, telling to myself, let the trade play out, do not micromanage it. Which is something that I do quite often. I try to micromanage it when I see things unfold the other way around. And being inside the high resistance liquidity run is what it takes. A lot of emotional discipline, also even more after one stop. We all feel the same when we've been wrong a few times, and especially inside the same trading session. Now we want to see displacement to the downside to be able to have confidence inside of this trade, and I want to see it aggressive. Let's see what happens. I'm trying to calculate whether partials can be taken in case the trade plays out. I don't like that. Feeling a bit unsettled as I don't know if I'm in the right place, which is something common, that whenever you are inside of the trade you keep asking yourself repeatedly, I am in the right side or the wrong side. But at the same time I remember myself, it's okay to be wrong on a market like this, inside the consolidation and a higher resistance liquidity run after Friday that we had a big upwards move. Now I feel the market always plays with me and fools me always in the wrong side. This is my inner thought. Probably taking an aggressive stop, which I don't like, as my self-esteem is affected. I don't know you guys, but when I get stopped out like aggressively and suddenly from nowhere, I feel like shit. It's personal, you know. I say a lot of feelings today, but I like that reaction there. I just reduce the risk because it made me feel better, and it should not go back there. So this should be a swing that keeps for going lower. Risk management is effective for releasing emotions while trading. So this is something important to remember. It's important to keep managing risk, and always with the logic and within your trading plan. Now I keep telling to myself, if stop meows, probably I'll feel angriness for the long wait because it's been like consolidating. Also need to stop after this trade because otherwise I will blow an account today. Excuse me. It's the perfect day to blow accounts. And there you go. Almost taken out. Almost stopped out. Now, sayonara baby. 2 stops, I'm out. Clear, no doubts. It's done. I'm wrong today, it's fine. Back at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everyone. And now, like suddenly, after all my certainty, I see, oh no, doing the movement after taking me out for the second time, that doesn't help at all. Watching it play out. But fortunately, it doesn't look like it's gonna go down after all. So, okay, bye-bye, I'm off. Here is the trading session for today. 3 stops, being wrong, it's fine, back at it tomorrow. This is the final message that I got. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.